Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a Beary good book card, and this has the addition of a matching bookmark. During this video I emboss a background, use Copics to colour images and build a bookmark. Before I begin, I'd like you to get clicky for Vicky. Here are a few products that I knew I wanted to use, and a couple more will be shown and listed in the description below. We have a bookcase embossing folder, Lawn Fawn Den Sweet Den stamp set, vanilla malt cardstock, and Let It Shine stripes and sprinkles in teal and gold. I begin by colouring the images using Copic alcohol markers. I chose pink, teal, cream and brown for my colour palette to keep a pastel theme. I keep my method of colouring simple, using a light and dark shade on each image. I start with the dark shade on the shadows and then use the lighter shade to blend out. The caps will be seen on screen for each colour change. I fussy cut the images off screen. I want the mother bear to be holding a book, and so I do a little image surgery here and cut the area around the paws and insert the book. I embossed the vanilla malt cardstock with a bookshelf embossing folder to give a subtle backdrop for my scene. I cut this and a piece of teal paper to size. Originally I had chosen a wood grain cardstock in brown for the background, but felt that this did not match the soft airy feel of the card, so I took out the lawn fawn stripes and sprinkles in pink and used the stripe side. This is cut to 5.5 by 4.25 inches to fit on an A2 card base. Before I assembled the card, I wanted to create the bookmark. I used the Lawn Fawn For You Dear stamp set and add-on dies to make it. The assembly part of this speaks for itself. It's such a cute bookmark. I particularly love the back side of it. I used Lawn Fawn gold twine for a tassel. Time to assemble the card. I glue all the panels first. Did you spot the My Petunia glue press in the bookmark scene? This was a Christmas present to myself as I wanted to test it out, and I am not disappointed. I had to fight the bottle of glue that I was using before. The glue was absolutely fine, but as the bottle emptied it got harder and harder to squeeze my hand. This new gadget takes out all of the hard work and I'm very happy with it. I stamped the sentiment and cut it into pieces for a little word fetty. I then used coordinating markers to colour them in, using my favourite method of using a marker around the edge, and this time I used a cream colour to colour the whole piece of sentiment too. Once the sentiment is complete, I continue with the assembly. I add foam pads to all of the images and the sentiment and attach them to the embossed background. Finally, I add the card to an A2 card base and my card is complete. I love the colour palette and the gentle cosy feel to this scene. This card was inspired by episode 199 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. We have a card for a bookmark, bakery colours. I was inspired by mint, strawberry and chocolate macarons. My mother bear is a large animal, and the shelves are in horizontal lines. With mention of craft roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it is all about, and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to the Craft Roulette YouTube channel. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care, and I'll be back soon.